The border county of Hekou in southwest China's Yunnan province is home to a major China-Vietnam land port. Many border residents from Vietnam are doing business or working in Hekou. 23-year-old Li Ta-so is one of them. A few years ago, she came to Hekou to study at a vocational school. After graduation, Li Ta-so got a job at a local trading company. She's mainly responsible for tracking logistics information and providing translation and interpretation services for the clients. For her, living in China is a pleasant experience.
我最喜欢中国的就是可以点外卖，不管是哪个时间，你只要是你饿了，你都可以点。还有可以扫小蓝车，很方便的，走到哪里都有的。还有一个的就是那些网购啊，我都很喜欢。在中国这边的网购运费很便宜。
In addition to the convenient way of living and comfortable working environment, the biggest drive for Li Ta-so to stay in China comes from a dream she has had since childhood.
因为我家是在边境嘛，所以从小我就想着，以后要去中国学汉语，然后来到这边工作。前面呢，我只是想简单的当一个翻译，但是呢，来公司以后，我就想多了解一下贸易的方面。我每天都要努力，都要学习的，去追求我的梦想。